Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Hoakya or the Hoakya knee massager. Hoakya knee massage device. It's a cordless heated knee supporter. A rechargeable heating massager wrap with vibration for the knee, for our shoulders, for our elbow, for pain relief. It's knee brace support for arthritis, joint stiff, and muscle strain. And this heated knee massager has 5 heat levels: 40, 45, 50, 55, and 60 degrees Celsius, and 3 vibrations modes. It also has 2 vibrations modes that deeply massage the knees, elbows, and shoulders. The device provides relaxation and comfort, promotes blood circulation, and relieves the discomfort. It also has a 15-minute timer function, which ensures safety and prevent overheating on or exercise the messages. These 3-in-1 need heated massage device has an ergonomic design that wraps well around the joints. It has adjustable Velcro straps for easy and secure carry. It comes with a 23 inches extension strap that also allows us to use it in our elbows, shoulders, and other parts of our body to relieve the pain and improve the circulation of our blood. The cordless knee massager, which is heated, has a built-in large-capacity rechargeable battery that makes it convenient and portable too. Thanks to the comfortable materials and lightweight design, we can use it in the office or at home during the outdoor exercises or something else. Unlike other heated knee massagers that can only be used near a power outlet, they have the option to use the device wherever we are, because there it is, battery-powered. Reload and go outside with that. No prop for it. This knee massager has 4 buttons. Long press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to switch on the device, and a single tap to can switch the vibration modes 1, 2, or 3. The plus and minus button can adjust the temperature 40, 45, 50, 55, and 60. And this product can promote the blood circulation in the knee joint and relieve the muscle and joint discomfort for patting the like human hands and combining with a hot compress function. A variety of temperatures and massage strengths are available. It is suitable for different groups of people to use the knee massage and maintenance. It can also be used for maintenance of other parts of the body when used with an extension belt. Of course, people should use this with caution if you are pregnant, with scars on the skin, fractures like nerve disorders, skin sensor disorders, with lack of knees equal from traffic accidents, who have had the leg disease, people who need quiet time, and people in poor physical conditions. We do not let the children use the device unsupervised, and it will be while we're sleeping. We should not use it, of course. And we had the heat massager, an extension belt, and there is a Type-C cable for recharging. The battery capacity 2,500 mAh. The weight is 240 grams. The voltage is 3.7 volt, so it's secure. The power is 7.5 watt power. We have a charging socket on the top, a key lock indicator, a temperature measurement, the power of the massage mode 1, 2, and 3. The temperature is reduced, the temperature increase button, and the power on off button. That it is easy peasy. That's easy, and you can easy peasy make this happen to your body because it's so healthy. Long press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to turn on the device. The default heating temperature is 40 degrees Celsius and the vibration intensity is level 1. We can short press the button to adjust the vibration intensity. And of course, we can short press minus to adjust the temperature, or plus to raise up the temperature. When the device is powered on, we short press the power button to lock and enable the touch button function. That means it locks all the buttons. If you push again, you can unlock it again. We should use level 1 stretch at the beginning of using the product. We should check our knee condition and adjust the time and number of uses appropriately. The massager will automatically shut down and enter in the standby mode after running for 15 minutes. The fabric area can be wiped with a damp towel, and the touch button function is not washable or machine washable. When the power is less than 10%, the power indicator light will flash on, so we should charge it up. And we turn off the device before charging and not use it while charging. The power indicator light will flash while charging, and all 3 power indicators will be light up if it is completed. It's for knee, it's for the elbow, and it's for the shoulder. And you can use it as you like. We place the massager on the knee with the mesh side facing the body and the feeding area facing the knee joint. We fix the Velcro on the 2 straps and it's ready. For elbow, we place the massager on the arm with the mesh side facing the arm and the heating area facing the elbow. We fix the Velcro, job's done. For shoulder, we connect the extension strap to the end on the long strap and fix it to the Velcro. We place the massager on the shoulder with the mesh side facing the shoulder and the heating area facing to the shoulder joint. Finally, job's done. And that it is how to use it, and it makes a good job. Hoakya knee massager. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel.